Hey guys, welcome to M&M PT NAATI YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic, right from dictation. Not the entire topic, but how to tackle right from dictation, how to practice right from dictation, and the most important component for right from dictation, and that is note taking strategy. So how to manage taking notes in the most efficient way so that I can get a full score for right from dictation, because it is a very important topic. So let us today first see that how do I take notes, and then what should be my mindset when I practice this important topic. All right, now whenever I practice right from dictation, the first thing I have to keep in mind is, as a student, that it will take some time. I am not going to master this topic in a day or two. If you are able to, that's a very good thing. Congratulations on that. But if you are not able to, there is no need to be disappointed. It does take a while, it does take some time. So even if you are taking a week or two, that's not at all any issue. Okay. So the first thing I would do is I would at least practice 25 questions per day. That is the minimum. If you practice more than that, there is no harm, but not less than that. So set a benchmark for yourself of 25 questions per day. Okay, and I would recommend that right from dictation should be practiced every single day if possible, because it is worth it, because of the weightage that this topic has. All right, that's the first thing. Now second is obviously taking notes. How do I take notes? We did share the initial method, using initials. If you have watched the right from dictation video, you should know about it. If you haven't watched, you can watch whenever you have time. So use initials to take notes, or if you're not comfortable taking initials, you can also go for abbreviations. That means short form for every single word. Okay, we will do a few questions, and then that's how we will come to know that what am I exactly trying to say. And obviously we did discuss that if there is a plural word, we put a small s. If there is a past tense word, we put a small d in the initial or in the abbreviation, and that's about it. But let's do a few questions, and I'll share what you should be doing when you do right from dictation in practice. All right, so let me do a question for you.
Some people regarded it as care, while others regarded it as recklessness.
Now, obviously I have taken initials because I'm comfortable with that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to quickly write down the answer in the notebook. Some people regarded, now in short form, not the complete word, but at least that much that I can understand when I'm typing. Some people regarded it as care, while others regarded it as recklessness. Now don't go for handwriting. I am able to understand what I've written. My job is done. Similarly, if you are able to understand what you have done, your job is done. Because if I go and write down like this, some people regarded it as, my handwriting is very good, but by the time I reach to the end of the sentence, I might forget a few words. So manage writing in a way that you can understand, it is readable, but don't make it very beautiful and look good, because we have to do the real task, and that is typing. Now when I have written this answer, now I will type the answer in the computer, whichever website or whatever you are using, Word file, that's fine. But if you just write down the initials or abbreviations in the notebook, and then just write down the answer in the notebook, and you're not typing it, you are not practicing the real way. Because understand, in exam, what are you expected? Are you expected to write the answer in the notebook? Not really. They expect you to write down the complete answer in the computer. So even if you skip the step 2, that is writing the answer in the notebook, even that is not recommended. So first step is taking initials or abbreviations. Second step is to write down the answer quickly in the notebook, and then third step is to type it. Now a lot of students say, what I do is I'll just quickly take the notes and then I'll start typing. That's good. That's not, something I'm saying that it's not good. But what is your typing speed? Can you type 15,000 keystrokes an hour? No. If not, then you should follow this way. If you can, then that's okay. You can go for the straight away, I mean the third step, and not follow the second step. Or can you type more than 55 words a minute? Can you do that? Not really. If you cannot do that, more than 55 words a minute, then you should type after you write down the answer in the notebook, because high chances what happens is you are stressed in the exam, you might forget something. Not a good idea to skip any of them, and you have ample amount of time. If you have watched our video on how to manage time in listening section, you should know how much time do you need to dedicate to every single question in the listening section, so that you have more than enough time for your last topic, and that is right from dictation. Now, if you feel that you're doing good, move on to the next sentence. But if I feel that I haven't done my best, or I haven't got a complete 100% answer on this sentence, I'll repeat it again, I'll do it again. Don't be in a rush to move on to a new question, because what if you get this sentence in your exam? You never know, because sentences are repeated. If you get this sentence in exam, how lucky will you feel for yourself, that great that I did practice this question 2-3 times, because it was a tough one. So never take any sentence for granted. Every single sentence when you practice, think as if this will be my exam question, and that's why I need to master it 100%. That mindset will help you a lot. So I hope you understood everything that I shared in this video. If you have any concerns or questions regarding right from dictation, you can always post in this video's comment section. If you want to test your typing speed, how can you see what is your real typing speed, we will put a link in the description below. Go there, use that link to check your typing speed, and if you feel that you are typing more than 50 words a minute or 15,000 keystrokes an hour, more than that, then you can skip step 2 as I said, and you can go and straight away type. If not, please follow the way I have told you, without making any mistakes. And obviously, after you finish your typing in the laptop or the computer, you should always check your work before you proceed to the next question, because we often make a lot of typing errors as well, which is very, very common. Now, as I said, if you have any questions regarding this topic or any other topic, if you have any concern, and if you feel that there should be a topic or something we should cover regarding PTE or NAATI for that matter, write it in the comment section below, and we may just make a video on that next time, so that your concerns are addressed properly. With that, I'll take your leave. God bless all of you. Practice a lot, and do not hesitate to book one-on-one consultation. As I said, just let us know if you need one. Instagram is there, Facebook Messenger is there. Just type MNMMPT NAATI. We are there. You can just get in touch with us. Bye for now.